Hello dear students, so today we will discuss chapter number 8, our natural resources, water and soil. Okay, in this video we will discuss water and soil. But this is not the detailed explanation video of chapter 8. In this video we will discuss what only? Exercises, okay. Same in the same playlist the detailed explanation is also available. If you want the detailed explanation of the chapter, you can have. So first exercises, fill in the blanks. What beta? Fill in the blanks. Our main source of fresh water, rain. Main source of fresh water, rain. In South India, rainwater is mostly stored in tank and pond. In southern India, they are storing water in tanks and ponds. Hirakud, not Hirakund. Hirakud is the longest dam. When we talk about longest dam of India, which dam is known as longest dam of India? Hirakud. Soil is the top layer of earth's surface in which plant and tree grows. Most fertile soil is alluvial. What? Alluvial soil is most fertile soil. Soil is the top layer of earth's surface. Hirakud, longest dam. Southern India, mostly they are storing water in ponds and tanks. Main source of fresh water, rain. Okay. Next exercise, match the column. Bhakra Nangar dam, largest dam. If somebody asks you, write the name of largest dam. Bhakra Nangal dam. Yes, longest dam. Longest dam. Just tell me, write in comment section which dam is known as longest dam. Yes, right. Hirakud dam. Sardar Sarovar dam. Sardar Sarovar dam built on river Narmada. Fertile soil. Crops grow well. If the soil is fertile, crop will grow very well. Black soil suitable for cotton cultivation and sugarcane cultivation. Red soil found in southern India. Okay. Yes, next choose the correct answer. The Damodar river provides water for irrigation to Assam. Okay. Hirakud dam built on Mahanadi river. Which soil is formed by breaking up lava rock? Black soil. Okay. From where we have black soil? Lava rock से मिलती है हमें black soil. Laterite soil can be used for making bricks. Laterite soil can be used for making bricks. Which of these improve the quality of soil? Crop rotation. Okay. Deforestation, degradation of soil, soil erosion, degradation of soil. Dam is also like that. So crop rotation is only improving the quality of soil in the available options. Okay. Yes. Dug for irrigation. What we are digging for irrigation? Canal. Electricity generated from water, hydroelectricity. Electricity generated from water is known as hydroelectricity. What we are digging for irrigation? Canals. Soil which is good for cultivation, fertile soil. The type of soil found in northern plains, alluvial soil. Soil found in mountain is called mountain soil. Okay. Dear students, I am making detailed explanation video of the chapter plus exercises. Till date I am not making any video for question answer explanation. But if you required a question answer video, also do write in comment section. Okay.